Hello! To scan documents using Adobe Scan application on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you will have to go into the Play Store application and search for the Adobe Scan. As you can see, alright, and you will have to install this application. After you're done, you simply have to open it, and you will have, first of all, you will have to make yourself an account, or you have to register, or you can log in. I just logged in to this application using the Google account, and then you will have to accept the permissions for this application to use the camera, and basically you will be forwarded to this screen right here. And alright, I will try to scan the back of this box right here. Alright, let me put the box under this phone. And as you can see, this application is automatically scanning. Alright, and now here are a lot of different options about the scanning, but to do the simple basic scan process, to go through the simple basic scan process, you can crop your document by adjusting these corners around the document, as you can see, just like this. You have to press and hold this corner, and you can adjust the corners. You also have this little peer review, as you can see. And alright, also you can rotate the document, and you can retake another scan if you're not satisfied with this result. You can also right here edit text, and here are some more options. So alright, now you can also keep scanning if you want to scan more documents, and after you are done you can simply press this Save PDF button, and right now this scan has been saved as a PDF, and basically that's it. That's how to scan the documents using the Adobe Scan. Thank you for watching.